In the previous video, we studied about the Airbus categories. Now let us start off with the Airbus A300 and A310 specifications. Under A300, we will be having three variants. Let me again remind you about the Airbus numbering system, which is an alphanumeric model number followed by a dash and a three-digit number. The model number often takes the form of a letter capital A followed by 3, a digit, then followed normally by a 0. For example, A350. There are some exceptions such as A220, A318, A319, A321 and A400M. The succeeding three-digit number represents the aircraft series, the engine manufacturer and the engine version number respectively. For example, in this A300 600R, the code is 6 for series 600 and 0 for engine alliance and the engine version 0. Thus, the aircraft number is A300 600. In additional letter is sometimes used. These include C for combi version, that is passenger and freighter, capital F for freighter model, capital R for long range model and M for military model and capital X for enhanced model. Now let us start off with A300 B4200. It is one of the versions of the outstanding Airbus A300 that has high strengthened wings, modernized cabin, enhanced landing gears and an alternative rear cargo bay fuel tank of capacity 47,500 kg. Swift, comfortable and features are spacious baggage capacity. The A300B4 is also considered as one of the aircraft with the longest range in its categories. The next one is A300 600R, where R represents long-range model. The Airbus A300 was the world's first twin-engined wide-body airliner. With its 7,500 kilometers range, the A300 600 has the capability to fly all major regional routes of the world's main economical regions. The A300 600 seats 266 passengers in a typical two-class layout. The final one is the A300 600 capital F, where F represents the fighter jet. The A300 600 jetliner's wide-body fuselage cross-section, high versatility and low operating costs makes it an ideal regional fighter. In this variant, the aircraft carries significant tonnage and volume on the main deck, as well as in the generous underflow holds and accommodating the full range of existing cargo containers and pallets. With its range of more than 7,500 kilometers, the A300 600 has the capability to fly all major regional routes of the world's principal economic region. As you can see, the A300 B4200 has cockpit crew of 3 and the other two variants have 2, and the length is also increased from the first variant to the last variant, so does the height, but the width and the wing remain the same. Maximum payload also has been increasing from 37,495 kg to 48,293 kg, and so is the range. The next one is the A310 subtypes. A310-200 possessed a higher maximum takeoff weight and center section fuel, being able to carry 32,834 kg load for 5,375 kilometers. The A310-200C is convertible version. The seats can be removed and the cargo placed on the main deck. Another variant of A310-200F is the freight version of A310-200 was available as a new build or as a conversion of existing wide-bodied aircraft. The A310-200 freighter can carry 39 tons of freight for 5,950 kilometers. The next variant is the A310-300. It provides an increased maximum takeoff weight and an increase in range provided by additional center and horizontal stabilizer, that is trim tank fuel tanks. This model also introduced wing tip fences to improve the aerodynamic efficiency. It is a convertible passenger cargo version. The seats can be removed and cargo placed on the main deck. A310-300F is freight version of A310-300. Operators such as FedEx Express acquired modifying the ex-passenger A310s, usually starting with the A300 versions. This is the ATA numbering system. The ATA or ATA numbering system, which is a common referencing standard for commercial aircraft documentation. This actually permits greater ease of learning and understanding for pilots, aircraft maintenance technicians, and engineers alike. The unique aspect of the chapter number is its relevance for all aircraft. Here we have the topic and the corresponding link, that is a PDF document corresponding the topic and the ATA chapters for which the topic is related. So air conditioning, pressurization and ventilation is ATA chapter 21. It is mentioned in the link here. This presentation will be shared in the course so that you can click on the PDF and go through it for your reference. So I hope you would have understood the specifications of Airbus A300 and A310. Let us move on to A318, A319, A320 and A321 in the next video.